How do you clean stainless steel? That is exactly what Living That Lindsay Life asked me on Instagram, and I have the best solution for it, including how to clean that stainless steel refrigerator. So keep watching because you are going to love this solution. I have tried every method out there when it comes to cleaning stainless steel. People say, oh, vinegar, water, olive oil. None of those have worked for me. None. They don't all work. Why don't they work, and why do they work for some people? Well, it's because everyone that suggests to clean your stainless steel appliances with those items all use a microfiber cloth. So I think the real magic happens with the microfiber cloth and not the olive oil or the vinegar, because it has done nothing for me. But there is a solution that is actually even better than the microfiber cloth, and let me share with you what that is and why it's better. I love using these Wyman stainless steel wipes, and oh my goodness, I hope I'm saying that name right. Now it has to be these wipes. It can't be the Wyman spray, it can't be the Wyman aerosol can. Those don't work as good as the wipes. And again, this isn't sponsored. I've just tried everything, and this is really the best solution. There's a few reasons why these are so good. So these are great because they not only clean your stainless steel, but it like polishes them, and it gets up those stubborn drip stains. So you know those drip stains that you get, it seems like no matter what you do, those are hard to get off. This is the one product that actually gets them off and then keeps them off. And it cleans, and it's not streaky, and it's almost like a wax, but it's not a wax. I don't want you to think it's a wax. So it's all, I feel like it's like Pledge for your fridge, right? Because when you pledge something, it makes it easier to wipe off, and then it prevents future stains. So this also prevents future stains. So your stainless steel will look better over time as you use it. I use mine once a week, literally every Monday. That's when I clean my house and I wipe down all the stainless steel appliances. By after a week, I can tell they need to be wiped down again, but they stay really looking good all week long. One wipe will do my fridge, my stove, my microwave, and then I even use it on like the toaster oven, our coffee maker, even like those stainless steel like appliances that you have, and our toaster looks brand new because of these wipes. People are amazed. They're like, whoa, you've had this toaster for 9 years? Yes, I do. Thank you, Wyman wipes. So I have heard a couple people complain, which surprised me, that these leave streaks, but they don't. So if you find, which I doubt you will, that you might find a couple streaks, it's probably because you need to rub it in a little bit more, or just run it over with a microfiber cloth and it should be fine. But I have never received any streaks from using these wipes. So I really hope that you guys love these wipes as much as I do. This is not sponsored whatsoever. I just literally have tried everything and nothing has worked, and this is the only thing that's actually worked. I know the stainless steel cleaning solution will work for you. It works for everyone. It's the best solution. If you have a question for a future Tip Tuesday, please leave it in the comments below. I would love to feature it in the future. Remember to subscribe. I would love to see you back here, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye!